Hello everyone, here is the last part of the dance tutorial of Nee Kavithaigala. So in the last part we learned till here. Now after this you will go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for that from this position your hands, okay, your left hand will go to your skirt and your right hand you will move this way from left to right, like you're catching a person who is running in front of you, okay, like this. Hmm? Then your left hand will be placed on your right and then just move your head like this, okay. So 1 2 and move your head, okay, because in the song there is a beat which is left off, so this head movement fills that gap, okay. So for that we are doing it. So from here you will go 1 2 and 3, okay. I hope it was clear. Then you take a step back. Okay, so from here your hands will move to your chest and you will take a step back like this. Then from there you will go like this. Okay, so for that your hands, it will go to your shoulders and like a hugging gesture you just bring it to your chest like this. Okay, so from your shoulders out to yourself. Okay, and your body will move to the right. You should bend your knees and bend your whole body to the right side like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, I hope it was clear. So now let's do it again from here. 5 6 7 go. 1 2 3. 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, then from there you will go 1 and 2. Okay, so for that you should keep your hands like this, left horizontally and right vertically over it. Okay, then extend your right hand. So from the right to left you will move your hands, then extend your right, just your right hand. Okay, right to left, then extend. Okay, so from here you will go like this. You will reach the center and then extend your right hand to the left corner. Your right leg also should be extended out like this. And don't forget to tilt your body a little to the right. So from here you will go 1 and 2. Okay, then 3 4. Okay, so for that your hands from this position, your right hand will go to your skirt and your left hand will move like this. Okay, like this. When your right leg is out you should move your right hand, when your left is out you should move your left. Okay, so your legs will move like this. First right will be out, then come to the center on your toes, then to the left. Okay, also tilt your body. Okay, like this. Okay, I hope it was clear. So after this you will go 1 and 2. Okay, so from here 1 and 2. Now after this step you will go 5 6 7 8. So for that both your hands should be placed horizontally in front of you, right above the left. Then you have to stretch your hands out and bring your left hand up like this. Okay, first right will be up, then stretch your hands, switch their positions, your left will come up and open. Okay, also tilt your head like you're peeping through it like this. Okay, so from here your hands will be extended out and this. Now let's do it again from here. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so while doing it you should move from the left to the center. Okay, I forgot to mention that. Okay, because you will be facing the left corner in the previous step. So from there you can come to the center. Okay, doing it. Okay, so from the left you will come to the right. And after that you should turn back. Okay, so from here you will turn back. Then your hands should go up. Then pop open a flower. Okay, you should pop it 2 times. Like 1, 2. So this is how it will look. 1, 2. Okay, like that. So your hands above your head and pop it open. Then bring your hands down and pause. Okay, so after this you should bring your hands down. Then your right will go up and left will go down. Okay, it should form a diagonal. Okay, and also you should extend your left hand out and tilt your body like this. Okay, this is the last pause. So after this you will turn, then pop pop, bring your hands down and pause. Okay, so let's do it again from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, pop, pop, and pause. Now let us do it again from the very beginning, okay? From the starting. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Twist, pause, and turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Spin, spin, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, pop, pop, and pause. So that's it. Now you have learned the entire choreography of Nee Kavithaigala, and if you want to practice it along with the song, I have uploaded it on my YouTube shorts. So you can check it out. I have uploaded it in 2 speeds, in normal speed and also in the slower speed. Both the videos are mirrored, so it will be easy to practice. So that's it. I hope it was clear to you all and you enjoyed dancing with me. So till I come with the next video, bye.